Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the kitchen. This morning we are going to make some deer tenderloin or venison tenderloin. Depends on what you want to call it. Okay. I have got my meat right here. Now folks, this is going to be a little bit controversial, but it is what it is. If you like the normal, stronger flavor of deer, everyone has different taste buds. Some people like it straight, don't do anything whatsoever to it. Some people do not like it quite as strong. That happens to be our family. So I soak it overnight in milk. I'll link a video to that showing you what I do. But if you like it the normal way, then don't do anything to it. But if you think it's a bit much, try soaking it overnight in milk. It is strictly up to you and the flavor that you and your family like. Okay, now that we've got the preliminaries out of the way, guys and gals. Okay, I have my tenderloin sliced. I took a meat mallet last night before I soaked it and flattened it out so that instead of having big chunks, I have smaller pieces of meat. Okay, I'm just going to lay these out on here. I'm just going to spread them out on here. Okay, now the seasoning that you use is up to you. Some people like just salt and pepper. Okay, we happen to like steak seasoning on ours. We really like this, but we really like this. So guys, what do? I sprinkle a little bit of this on there. Then I sprinkle a little bit of this one on there. It doesn't matter. It is entirely up to you. Then I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now I have turned my pan on to preheat before I started talking, and I'm sure as long as what I've been talking, it's getting warm. Now, folks, again, it's up to you. The medium you want to use to cook your tenderloin in. This morning, I'm using butter. Sometimes I use oil. Sometimes I use coconut oil. Sometimes I use bacon grease. Just whatever your flavor of the day is, it doesn't matter. Okay, I've got my pan. It's pretty warm. My butter's melted. The only thing I'm going to do is just put this in there and we're going to fry it until it reaches the degree of doneness that you like. Okay, some people barely sear it. They like it pretty well rare or medium rare, medium well. What you're comfortable with is what you need to do. Now, I want to tell you, if you cook venison totally well done, it's going to dry out and get tough, and it's really not going to be good. So, again, it's up to you. I'm going to fry this for 3 or 4 minutes on this side, flip it over, and fry it for another 2 or 3 minutes on the other side. And I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, folks, I do believe this first pan is good. There's still some juice left in there. It's not cooked totally well done. So I'm going to take this off the heat. Is the way that we normally eat our tenderloin. Sometimes I put egg on there. And guys, here's going to be some more controversy. Sometimes I even put cheese on there. But you have to eat it the way you like it. That's just how our family likes it. And I wanted to share that with you folks. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to have the deer tenderloin. Do you like it for breakfast? For dinner? You like it with eggs? Let me know. I've even had comments on a lot of my posts where a lot of people just use the tenderloin and nothing else to make their jerky. Now, I haven't done that. But is that what you do? Let me know. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you all in the next video.